Don't put it on your mouth, silly girl.
Yum.
Yeah. That's right. Food goes in your mouth. Marker goes on the paper. What you got? Don't, no, not in your mouth. Not in your mouth. Yeah, there's the cracker. You got it wet, didn't you? What you got on your mouth? You got blue marker on your face. She was eating a cracker, so she would eat the cracker, and then she put the marker to her mouth. So, because I think she got confused. Sorry, I didn't think to call you. I was so busy with her, I just sort of tuned it out. Was it any?
It's quite done yet. It's close. 2, 3 more minutes.
We're making a movie. It was supposed to be Nora painting, but now she's eating.
Nora, where's your smile? Where's your belly? That's fun.
Not in the bag.
Where's your belly? Where's your belly, Nora?
Mm.
No, not good.
Dad, I'm busy eating.
What you eating?
She's a mess.
You are a
The
mess.
reason she has blue on her face is because she put the cracker in with one hand and then she forgot that the marker was in the other hand, I guess. So